In this second and final episode of the series, Michel and I got a late start on another scorcher of a day, riding through beautiful forests and great gravel roads. Everything changed when a planning mistake sent us onto an unexpected and far tougher section, creating some real challenges. Fortunately, our luck turned when a generous couple hosted us through Bunk. The following morning, we hit the road again, ready for more amazing routes, finally making our way back home to Montreal. We wanted to start the day off with some coffee. We had some difficulty with the machine, but in the end, we got a shot we needed.
You ready? Day 2, here we go. Went for a swim this morning. Felt amazing, but didn't take long to get all hot and sweaty again.
We had a really lazy morning, and we only got going around 10:45, which is much later than we had planned.
Tonight we're being hosted by a couple that we found on the Bunk website. So this will be the first time we do that, and so far the communication with them has been fantastic. They even invited us for dinner tonight, and they're right on the lake, and they said we could jump in the lake. So we're looking forward to that. Especially today is going to be another crazy hot day, so that lake is already going to be a welcome refresher.
The section we did here on O'Donnell Road was a great way to start the day. It was a lot of fun, technical sections, and really got us pumping, that's for sure. So riding that section on O'Donnell Road was a little bit challenging. I guess if you're new to this channel, you need to know that I'm new to adventure bike riding. This is my second year, although I've been riding for over 10 years. So it was a bit challenging, and looking at the footage now, it just makes me want to go back and do it again. Maybe we'll do that next year. But it went well, but it was, I guess, a little more intense than anything I'd done up to that point. At this point, we didn't really know what was coming up, but we were going to ride a section that was even more challenging than what we'd done up to this point. So stay tuned. It's going to get a little more intense.
Woohoo! And we go straight. No winter maintenance, not a through road. What is this? What does that mean, not a through road? We're definitely on. Yeah, it's like a dead end or something. We're definitely on. I think we're okay. This is our route. on the left. Oh boy. Big rut on the right. Oh, tabarnache. Okay, we got a big descent here. Okay. Yeah. I'm good. Woo! Why? This is definitely more intense than anything I've ever done. Good. Are you okay? Hey boy. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna come and give you a hand. These boots are made for riding. Yeah, were you on the left side? Alrighty, buddy. You're good? Suivant next. Yeah. We'll go here, right down the middle. I'll stay to the right of this rock. Come through here. Alrighty. I just tried to change gears. I was going too slow. Yeah. I'm not anymore. Perfect stuff to land in.
We needed to take a little break, so we moved up ahead into the shade and took a few minutes to relax.
Oh la la.
In case you know the area, that section was just north of the 509 in North Frontenac, somewhere between Mosque Lake Lane and Grindstone Lake Road.
Okay.
So we made it out of this section without any further issue, and after checking the GPX, we still had a lot of riding to do. So we made a decision to head straight to Barry's Bay, where we could relax a little bit before we met up with John and Susan, the couple from Bunk that were going to take care of us that evening. So after reaching Barry's Bay and enjoying some amazing ice cream, we had a bit of time left, so we decided to ride up and explore a little bit more of the Pickaxe Loop.
Okay, here's where the gravel starts. It's sandy here. Okay. So we're on our way to John and Susan's. We got some cold beers in the back bag, a couple of bottles of wine, and that's it. Yes. Hey, John.
How you doing, Patrick?
Good. Yeah.
Fantastic. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You're so kind.
Oh, our pleasure. This is great. I'm John. Kev? Oh, Michel. Nice to meet you, Michel.
Oh. Whew.
And I've got, if you want to wash your bikes, you can do that.
Oh, yeah? We might just do that.
For sure.
Because we had a big day.
Yeah, I'll let you get it.
We had a great evening with John and Susan.
Take care.
For our first experience with the Bunk biker service, I think it would be pretty hard to top this. They were just amazing. They cooked us a great meal. We spent the whole evening talking motorcycles and traveling and got to know each other a little bit. And it was just an amazing part of this whole adventure. So thanks to them. So for day 3, we still had a lot of riding to do. And so we got off to an early start after a quick breakfast. And then we got rolling. We got to this section here and saw the sign for authorized vehicles only. And after yesterday's experience, we kind of second-guessed. But the Pickaxe Loop GPX track was definitely telling us to go here. So we decided to keep going.
There's a 90-degree here at the end.
So that's the end of our 3-day adventure. We had a great time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.